Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this super cute updo. Yes, girl, there was a wink. Super cute updo. It takes literally a couple of minutes to do, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's get into it. So you firstly want to start off by stretching your hair overnight. I stretch my hair by putting it into, is it called 3 strands? 3-strand braid? I don't know, girl. But I sleep with my hair in braid so that it wakes up super straight. I don't use heat on my hair. I'd rather use that method. And I started off by putting in the Curls and Coils leave-in conditioner. It is great for detangling. I actually put this in before I sleep as well, before I put my head into those 3-strand braids. Please correct me down in the comment section below. It does smell like peppermint, just by the way, so a cautionary tale. It smells like peppermint and rosemary oil. And then what I did was I parted my hair into 2 right in my widow's peak, and then part my hair straight down the middle. And then I'm just adding some Iso Plus edge gel just to make sure that everything is sleek. And then I'm going to part my hair into 6 little boxes. As you can see there, I have 2 in the front, 2 in the middle, and 2 in the back. And then just to secure those little, I'm gonna call them boxes, guys, okay? Words are failing me. I'm going to use my Iso Plus gel and my toothbrush to kind of sleek that down. And then I'm going to twist my hair in those individual boxes and then crisscross the hair in order to create that crisscross effect that you saw in the beginning of the video. So yeah, you're gonna twist your hair. You're gonna twist the left side first and the right side, and then I'm gonna show you a slowed down version of how I crisscross those 2. So as you can see, I have crisscrossed the 2 front boxes firstly, and then I initially wanted to kind of have my hair going back, and I was like, that's boring. So I decided to take the crisscross box from the right side and insert it into the left second box. Guys, I'm gonna call it boxes, okay? I can't find any other words. Into the left second parting, and then secure that once again with a rubber band. I know that a lot of people complain about rubber bands because they kind of tend to break your hair. I would suggest, if you don't want that to happen, use olive oil. Dip your rubber bands into olive oil before you use them, and it just helps them first of all glide on nicely onto your hair. And eventually, if you keep your hair long enough, or your hairstyle long enough, they actually end up breaking on their own. I don't know what the olive oil does to them, but if you keep your hair for long enough, they break on their own. Otherwise, when you do take them off, that olive oil will help the rubber bands slip off rather than coming off with your hair. And then once again, I'm going to crisscross the first box into the second parting there, as you can see, and then kind of do that with the second boxes into the third. I hope that makes sense, y'all, but I am showing you, so I'm hoping it makes sense. To sleek the rest of my hair, I'll be using the VO5 Freeze Gel. I like to put this gel on my hair in sections because my hair is very thick, so I find that if I just put my gel on the outside of my hair after having put my hair into one pony, my hair just does not cooperate, like it's not going to work. So I like to put the gel in layers. If you do find that your gel is not holding, I would suggest that method where you literally part your hair and put it in between your hair in order to make sure that everything is nice and sleek. After that, you just put your hair up into a high pony. Obviously you can do this pony in whatever way you want, so you can either have it be a high pony like this, or you can do a low pony if you want something a bit more conservative, which you understand. And then I edged down my edges. Is that the word? Guys, I'm running out of words today, okay? Please help me in the comment section below. I sleeked down my edges? I don't know. And then I put on my textured hair extension. You can find this in your nearest hair supply store, anywhere near you, except for right now with Rona going on. Do not go out of the house if you don't already have these extensions. And then I secured that with bobby pins, and there you go. Super quick, super easy, love it. Added accessories for an extra pizzazz, and a purple lip, darling, for that little extra. Oh yeah, oh girl, she gave us a wink. Ah. But yeah, that's that hairstyle, guys. Super easy, super quick. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know how you feel about this hairstyle down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are leaving educated. If you do recreate this style, please don't forget to tag me on the gram. I would leave my Instagram handle down in the comment section below. Don't forget to watch another video on this channel, either to your left or your right, or click on my face to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Bye.